Samsung's new Galaxy Watch 8 has stunning exclusive watch faces, but you don't need to buy it for that. In this video, I'll show you how to get and install those watch faces on your older Galaxy Watch. First things first, you'll need the APK files for the Galaxy Watch 8 watch faces. I've downloaded these APK files from the APK Mirror website because it's a reliable and safe source. I'll drop all the links you'll need in the description below. Once you have those files, you'll also need an app called Wear Installer, which you can easily find on the Google Play Store. This app is super handy because it lets you send and install those APK files directly from your phone to your Samsung Watch over Wi-Fi. Now, before we jump into installing the watch faces, there are a few important settings you'll need to adjust on both your watch and your phone. First, let's enable developer mode on your Galaxy Watch. To do this, go to Settings, then About Watch, then Software Info, and finally, tap on Software Version 5 times until you see a message confirming developer mode is turned on. Next, on both your phone and your watch, make sure to turn off Bluetooth and turn on Wi-Fi. This is crucial for the installation process. Now, head back to your watch's settings, find Developer Options, and enable both ADB debugging and wireless debugging. Okay, now open the Wear Installer app on your phone. Make sure both your phone and watch are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. From there, go to the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, tap on Pair with Watch, and then tap Enable at the bottom. Now, on your watch, under Wireless Debugging, tap on Pair with Device. You should now see a pairing code, along with an IP address and a port code. As the app on your phone instructs, enter the pairing code and port code, making sure to put a space between the two codes. Click Done, and you should see a prompt confirming Successfully Paired. In the meantime, your watch will automatically go back to the previous menu. Now, you'll need to enter the port code you see on your watch into the designated field in the phone app to finally establish the connection. Once that connection is established, simply select the APK file you want to install and hit Install. Your watch will then give you a connection notification, and within just a few seconds, that watch face will be installed. After the installation is complete, click Finish in the app. Then, on your watch, make sure to turn off both wireless debugging and ADB debugging. Finally, turn Bluetooth back on for both your phone and your watch so they can reconnect. Now, to apply your new watch face, simply long press on your current watch face area. Scroll to the right and tap on plus icon. You'll then be able to find the newly installed Galaxy Watch 8 watch face and tap to apply it. And that's it. But there are limitations. Some of these watch faces support basic customization right from the watch itself. Things like changing colors, hands, and complications. However, some watch faces might typically rely on the Galaxy Wearable app for more advanced customization. But since these are sideloaded, they won't always be fully supported in the Wearable app, and you might be limited to customizing them only from the watch itself. Just a heads up, you might occasionally see some minor glitches in animations or layout, especially on non-Watch 8 models. With the newest One UI Watch software update, you might actually get some of these apps for free directly from Samsung. So keep an eye out for that. And you know what? You can use this same method to install many other supported apps on your watch too. This even includes cool watch faces like the Ultra Watch faces, or even Pixel watch faces, just like you see here. So definitely give that a try. And that's it. You've successfully added a fresh Galaxy Watch 8 look to your older Samsung watch. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which one of these new watch faces is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.